Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the 11 Aura 2.1 Premium Bluetooth speaker. This particular 2.1 speaker system boasts a peak power of 80 watts, and there's an illustration of what the speaker system is going to look like. I will obviously give you a closer look. We have some specification on this end. It says peak power is 80 watts, woofer driver is 10.16 centimeters, satellite driver is 5.62 centimeters into two. Actually, there'll be two of them. And what else is there? That's more or less it. Inputs: Bluetooth, USB, SD card, aux, and FM radio as well. That's more or less all the information on the box. I will open it and show you what's inside. There you go. First up, we have a user manual for the 11 Aura 2.1 computer multimedia speaker. Everything that you want to know is listed over here. Next up, we have this packet. Inside this packet you will find a set of AAA batteries, two of them. This is for the remote control, I'm assuming. Then comes the remote control. This is, yes, there you go. Sorry. This is the remote control. Yes, this is the remote control. And we also have a set of input output cables with 3.5 mm jack on one end. There you go. These are the two satellite speakers. I'm going to pull them out gently. So there you go. So this is what the satellite speakers look like. They're black satellite speakers. It has a matte black finish at the front and wooden finish at the back. And this is of course the connecting cable that comes with it. This also has a nice grill. Actually, this is a textured surface at the front, and also notice the 11 logo right over here. Now let's take a look at the subwoofer. And here we are. This is what the subwoofer looks like. Let's show the front first. Once again, this has a different finish at the back. There's a piano black finish over here and has this textured mesh surface at the front. This is actually a cloth surface, a mesh cloth surface at the front. This is the power button. This is a, going if you want to go ahead in a track or go back, and also I'm pretty sure this is what you use to control the volume. And there's also a play pause button and a mode button when you want to switch between the different modes. Over here you have a USB-A slot for when you want to connect a USB flash drive, and also an SD card slot right over here. Also, this surface is wooden. There's a speaker on the side over here. This is basically the subwoofer, and you have 4 input-output ports at the back, power on off switch. This is of course the 2-pin connecting cable. Let me show this to you. This is the 2-pin connecting cable that this particular speaker system comes with, and this is of course your power on off button. Let me connect this speaker system and I will also test the sound. So now we have to basically insert these jacks into the output ports. So it doesn't matter which is which. You can choose, I mean ideally the red should be on red and the white should be on white, but doesn't really matter. Let's do this for the purpose of this video. Now we are going to connect this particular subwoofer to a power source, which I have right over here. Now we have to turn this on. I'm going to turn it on now, and we should be good to go. It says off right now. I'm going to click on the mode button. Now we're in the aux mode. This is the FM mode, and this is the Bluetooth mode. I will now go to my smartphone and go to the Bluetooth settings page and look for a new device. I'm getting an 11 Aura 11 option over here. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to click on pair. I don't know if you heard it, but there was a slight tone. I think the volume is very low, that's why you couldn't hear it. I will play some music now. So these buttons can be used to change the volume, by the way.
Why don't you keep it
you heard that, it sounds pretty good. And this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the 11 Aura 2.1 premium Bluetooth speaker. Thank you for watching.